Hi guys, it's Gurbles here for part 4. Whatever. Shut up. I don't want to play this game anymore. It gives me the heebie-jeebies. Ooh, more Get away. More batteries. As you guys see, I don't scare easily, so this game sounded like the beginning of a Haken song. Oh, look, key. Patient wing. Wing. Yeah. You know what? I'm gonna get this pencil. Fucking dig. Let's get out of here. Or we can go to the bathroom. I'm sure I'll find something. Whatever. I don't know what I'm supposed to be doing anyway, so... Nope. Do I really want to go to the blood soak? So there's no toilet? Okay. Good. How did I get 6 batteries so quickly? Good, I don't want to go. God. Do I really? I really don't want to go down there. I really don't want this axe. But I guess I have to get it to survive. If I want, I can just keep this on forever. You know, I bet there's gonna be a fucking monster. Can never be too sure. You know what? Maybe I'll find some batteries. I don't know. Whatever. It's just a game. Games can't hurt you. I don't want to waste all my batteries. I know what I said back there is a little hypocritical, so I don't really think I can. Oh, is that what I have to use the axe for? Whoop-de-doo. Let's use the axe already. Yeah! Yeah! Breaking stuff! Yeah! We're men! Can we pick it up? Nope. And of course there is a bed in your way. Thanks programmers for programming a broken game. Dumbasses. The judge was seeming unrelated to the issue, like it had nothing to do with people's lives. All Mr. Lawrence wanted to do was throwing off the responsibility to someone else. Possibly the first time he really wanted to kill someone. Am I outside? Yeah, I'm outside. Cool. You know, ooh, water. I don't like it. It's a rainy, dark... It's a rainy, dark, alley, so that's not a good sign. Oh! But the music is very nice. Ooh. So there's like a... Get out of here! God damn. Ah! Why can't I look all the way down? I'm not even supposed to be playing this game right now. I'm supposed to be fucking watching Dragon Ball Z. Nothing. just great. Let's take one of these. Just in case we have to fight some monsters. See, that didn't even waste one. Fuck, it's heavy. And this is some really nice music. I like how they do this because, you know, it's not all evil like the rest of the game with these assholes making the game all, you know, hard. So I guess there was nothing to this place other than a couple batteries. Did that just move? Oh my god, I can take bars. No, 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 no! That hurt me? Am I crouching? Yay! I don't have an axe. The axe broke! What a shitty axe. Whatever. This is my game. I can do whatever I want. Ooh, nice little cutscene there. Wow, so much for that happiness back there. What happened to the nice music and all that? Alright, part 4. Whatever. I'm not scared. Alright. Fuck. Whatever. That's the need. That need. Something's gonna pop out at me. Those cheap bat. Oh no. I don't want to go. I don't want to go. I'm just gonna look down. Oh God. I'm turning on lights. Oh, no, no.
Plugs, hot dog, memorial, plugs, plus one.
Alright. Let's man up here. Yeah, we got it. We got penis. Let's do it. Let's do it. Yeah. I'm not a man. I'm not a man. What? Oh my. I get it that you're doing some Jacob ladders. Oh, there's gonna be a monster. Why do I need that? There's gonna be a pop out. Hold on, I need to close my closet. I need to turn on the big
Plugs, hot dog.
I don't know why I'm getting scared of this. It's the middle of the day. Okay. Oh my. Oh. I'm just gonna walk backwards. If I can't see it, it can't hurt me. What is that? What is that? Can I go anywhere else but up there? Crystal clear? This isn't crystal clear! This isn't crystal clear! Oh, fudge. Oh, it's getting closer. Oh, I am not no! Oh my my god! Ah, I hate this game. I don't hate this game. I love this game. This is the best game. What?
Plugs, 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 hot dog, memorial, plugs, 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 plugs.